Check out our new pad. Last time we were at this hotel, we had a suite. This time we just have a regular room. I like this room a lot. It's clean. Got our shoes laid out right here. We arrived here yesterday from here being in Kathmandu from Pokhara. And we got a really good deal on this room. I'll tell you a little bit more about it in just a sec, but the bathroom is really nice. We have daily maid service. The water pressure is absolutely wonderful, and it's super hot. Sometimes I have to turn it all the way, the nozzle all the way down. My girlfriend, on the other hand, she likes it really hot. New towels. We just arrived back today, and the entire room was clean. Okay, a trash can right there. I like the floor. I like the area rug. Hi, babes.
Hello.
The bed is big and spacious, enough room for both of us to have a good night's rest. It has somewhat of like recessed ceilings, I think that's what it's called. But it's well lit. There are 2 windows over there. The bed is not super soft, but hey, it's not like Thailand hard, you know. Got a little, what is this called? Night
light? Oh, bedside light.
Bedside light, and a little desk. And we've got a table, 2 chairs, and a little table that we can work from. That is inside. It's like a window from you can see from the bathroom. Anyhow, this is an aircon. The provides hot and cold air. Right now it's a little bit chilly, so we have got the heater going, which is really a dual function, so that's really cool. All right, nice little window, and we have a balcony. We're gonna go outside in just a sec. TV, flat screen, cable, TV, and another desk right there, and it's a glass of wine, and I've got a mirror. And right here we have a little mini dorm-sized refrigerator. And of course a water heater, not a coffee heater, I was about to say that. And it comes with 2 bottles of water. And babe, would you open what is this, the storage? It's not storage. It's not even a closet per se, but where our stuff is stored, our clothes. It's really big. It's big, but yet also spacious. We're not even actually using this these 2 drawers. We didn't even see it, but can you imagine? This is all of our clothes. The bottom shelf here, that's my clothes, right? And this is the top shelf is my girlfriend's clothes. But that's pretty much it. What were you going to say? Yeah, you can close that up, love.
Channels?
The channels, TV channels, yeah. What about them?
They're American and English. English, right?
So,
we watched the Discovery Channel last night. There's TLC, Nat Geo.
It's all American channels. Awesome. Okay, let's go outside. Wait. Take a quick look. Go outside. Oh yeah, I like everything about this spot. I like it. So the great discount that we got as I'm walking outside, my girlfriend got this awesome discount. Oh, we've got a little table, 2 chairs, and this is our view from outside. My gym is actually hold on, let's see if the lighting, it's right over there. So directly across the street from this hotel is where my gym is. Love the gym, really conveniently located, and we're in Tamil, of course, and so everything is conveniently located. But this is our view. Alright, so back to the great deal that we got. Granted, like, because I think it's a combination of that we're just like really cool people to toot my own horn, and also we stayed here before. Let's flip this around. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so we stayed here before, and
It's probably on me for once.
yeah. What are you eating?
A peanut salad.
You gotta put it closer. Put it like, yeah. There you go. Peanut salad.
If you've been in Thailand before, Chiang Mai, it reminds me of their corn salad or their papaya salad.
Yeah.
But the base is peanuts instead of corn.
I think it cost us how much? Like $1?
$1.10.
$1.10. Why is this on you and not on me?
Because it loves me.
Okay, enough about that. So the great deal that we got on this particular room is that normally it cost about
$40 a night.
$40 per night.
Mm-hmm.
We were able to get a discount, a really good discount, and so we got the room for.
I got the room for $25
$25,
including all taxes and fees and breakfast.
So everything included plus breakfast, and we have a balcony.
All I did was ask. You should ask for a discount.
You should ask. You should ask no matter where you are.
And
just
keep
ask
bargaining.
for a discount.
Because they didn't tell me $25 a night first.
Was it right away? You had to.
I had to ask a few times.
Okay.
And then I got it.
So we got a really good deal. Hopefully. Oh, pick up my face. There you go. Wait, let's see. Yeah, we got a really good deal. I hope you enjoy this room tour. We're gonna enjoy breakfast was amazing. I think I should do breakfast as well tomorrow. I'm not gonna post it. Oh, wait. I'm gonna record. Let's see. Okay, you can hear me. It's not echo. Okay, so I guess what I'm saying is that tomorrow morning, tomorrow morning I am going to just record breakfast. Breakfast.
That's amazing.
This morning was first day. It was buffet style. It was a wide variety of food. So yeah, I'm gonna record the breakfast. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay. So breakfast is next. Breakfast as promised. Right? Now here's what we've got. Water. Check that out. And the chefs right there. Hey. Fresh fruits. Okay. We got butter, jam. I think that's real maple syrup. And ketchup. And then you have your variety of cereals. Check that out. Right? And yogurt. This is actually yogurt. I say yogurt, don't judge me. And fruits. Here.
What is it?
Juice. Variety of juice. Okay. First option, we've got pumpkin soup. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. Pumpkin soup. Next, we have potatoes, but it's not just regular potatoes. It's some nice potatoes. And we're gonna pause because you can get your omelet custom made. Chef right there whipping up omelet. Awesome. That guy right there, he's funny as hell. And let's continue on. We got boiled vegetables. But it's not like the typical boiled vegetables. look at that. Some healthy stuff. I actually got some. So we make our way down. This is corn. Alright, this is corn. Almost out. So you can tell this is really good. Pancakes. Where are we? Yeah, pancakes. Oh, it's hot. Let's try to get it closer. Pancakes. And next. Not quite, I don't remember exactly what's in here, but there we go. Oh, there's only one piece left. Try to get the light on it. Hold on, let's bring it out a bit so we can see it. There we go. What is that? Something delicious. I'm not quite sure what this is, but there's some of that on my plate. And this is grilled tomatoes. This one here is grilled tomatoes. There it is. Okay. And last but not least, got sausage. Boom. Look at that. Sausage. Alright. Okay, let's back up a bit. Let's head over to. So yeah, you can get your own omelet. These are choices. Things you can add to your omelet. Right there, so ready to go. Oh, here's my omelet. I think that's my omelet. Look at that. That's really cool. Thank you. Right. So I'm over here, right? We're posted up over here, and hi. Good morning. Are you enjoying your breakfast? You are? She started without me. Now this is what I got this morning. A ton of sausage, pumpkin soup. The pumpkin soup's really good. Toast. All you can drink water, or you can get juice. This is my main, or tea or coffee. Yeah, thank you for reminding me, tea or coffee. This is also what I got. What did you get? Pumpkin soup?
This thingy.
Yeah, that thingy.
Grilled tomatoes.
You've ate most of.
And this, I got this that you didn't have.
No, I didn't get that.
What's your omelet?
Dandiba. And look at that. Okay. That is breakfast. This is the breakfast dining hall. Forgot about that. This is a really big dining hall. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go and eat. Thanks for hanging out. This is our second time at this hotel, and it's so worth it because the accommodations, as far as the room. Oh, there's so many hangout spots. Oh my goodness. I think I should include the hangout spots. So, or maybe I should wait until later and show you guys what it's like in the evening when the flat screen comes out. Is it? That's really. What is it?
The projector.
There's a projector screen. There's a bar outside, right outside. A bar, projector screen as they watch the game. Maybe I should wait. I think I should wait. It's gonna be long. I don't know. All right, I'm not gonna do that. You get the idea. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section and turn on your notification for more unfiltered travel videos. I'm in Nepal, baby. All right, as usual, always, peace, one love. I'm out. Oh, I got a new haircut. All my hair is gone. Now that I'm done with the Annapurna circuit.